Every county in Northeast Florida provides a sandbag filling area for residents ahead of hurricanes, except for Duval County. This has been Duval's stance over the years, and the day before Hurricane Idalia's landfall, Jacksonville Mayor Donna Deegan was asked about it. Our Renata DiGregorio is on your side to verify her answer. Good morning, Renata.
Good morning. Mayor Donna Deegan was asked Tuesday ahead of Hurricane Idalia why Duval County does not provide sandbags for residents like all other Northeast Florida counties. Deegan said they, quote, don't provide much help. Is this true? Let's verify.
If you look at the scientific information around sandbags, if you really look at how they work or don't work, they just don't provide much help, frankly. There's really just no scientific reason to point to say that they are particularly effective.
The question, do sandbags work? We can verify this needs context. Our sources are FEMA and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Jacksonville District. In a FEMA document from 2020 titled Protect Your Home from Flooding, using sandbags is listed as an action you can take to prevent or reduce flood damage. The Army Corps website gives instructions on how to fill and place sandbags, saying it's a simple, effective way to prevent or reduce floodwater damage. Although sandbags do not guarantee a watertight seal, they are a proven deterrent to costly water damage. It's important to note there are different kinds of floodwaters. Sandbags can help redirect and stop minor flooding, the kind that fills streets. But total inundation that parts of Jacksonville saw from storms like Irma, sandbags aren't going to make a difference. We asked the mayor's office for more information about Deegan's source of information. We're still waiting on a response. Renata DiGregorio, First Coast News, on your side.